We'll start with the next topic, that is triangles, chapter number 6. Okay, now for that just turn the page. Now in this page the next topic is similar figures. Okay, now for understanding similar figures, first you should know what is congruent or congruence. Now congruent or congruence means that something having same measure, something having same shape and same size. Okay, so all the circles having same radius are congruent. Okay, all the squares with same side lengths are congruent. All the equilateral triangles having same side lengths are congruent. So congruent means you will have same measure, exactly same measure, you will have exactly same shape and same size. Okay, so now we go to the next word, that is similar. Okay, now what is similar? Now if you can see here, there are two circles, two squares and two triangles. Now if you see, both are circles, both are squares, and here both are triangles, but if you see, the sizes are different. Okay, but the shape is same. So here both are circles, so same shape. Both are squares, same shape. Both are triangles, same shape. Okay, so whenever you have, what is the meaning of similarity? Similarity means having same shape, but the size need not be same. So two similar figures will have same shape but not necessarily the same size. Okay, so here there's one small one line, that is all congruent figures. Okay, whenever you have a congruent figures, they will be similar always, because they will be having same shape, but all similar figures will not be congruent because their measure may be same, measure may not be same. Okay, now see the next page. Here you have a picture of Taj Mahal given. Okay, these photographs are in different sizes, so yes, they are similar. Okay, even the sizes are different, they are similar. Okay, but if we have a photograph of same size of one person at age of 10 years and 40 years, is it similar? No, because the photographs are of same size but the shape will not be same of a person at 10 years and 40 years, so the photograph will not be similar. So for similarity, you should have same shape. So if you can see here, the shape is same even if the size is can be same or can be different. Okay, so based on that, there's one more concept called as inclination or angles. Okay, so inclination or angles of any similar figure will be always equal. Okay, so any two polygons or a closed figure having same number of sides, the shape is same. Okay, like you have squares or triangles or quadrilaterals. Okay, so same number of sides it should have, like triangles have 3 sides and quadrilaterals have 4 sides, so they should have similar number of same number of sides. Then their corresponding angles should be having equal measure. That is very very important. Now inclination or angles, okay, they should be equal, and then the corresponding side should be of the same ratio. Now to understand this better, just turn the page. Now you can see figure 6.5. There are two figures shown here. Okay, now if you see these figures, the angles, even this is a bigger figure, this is a smaller figure, the angles are of same measure. It's 85 here, it's 105 here, it's 100 here and 70 here. So the angles are of same inclination. Then next, if you see the ratio of the side, AD is to PS, that is 2.1 is to 4.1. Then DC is to SR, that is 2.4 is to 4.8. Then CB is to RQ, that is 2.5 is upon 5. Then AB upon PQ, that is 1.5 upon 3. When you solve this, you will get 1 upon 2. That means they are in all side ratios are same. That is what they want to tell. Now go back to the previous page. The two polygons having their corresponding angles equal and the corresponding sides are in same ratio. Now you can see here in this figure, they are all in same ratio. Now if you see this example, here the angles are all 90 here. So the angles are equal. But if you see the side, AD upon PS, this is 3 upon 3, and DC upon SR is 3 upon 3.5. Can you see this? So the ratio is not same. It's 3 upon 3 and 3 upon 3.5. Okay, so that means these quadrilaterals are not similar even though the angles are of same measure. Okay, now turn the page. There's another diagram here. There's one square and this is another polygon. Now if you see here, here you have got 2.1, this is 4.2. So the ratio of AD and PS is 2.1 upon 4.2. Here also it is 2.1 upon 4.2. It's 2.1 upon 4.2 and 2.1 upon. So their ratios are same of the sides. But if you see the angle, this is 90, 90, 90. These are not 90. So here the angles are not equal, the corresponding angles. This angle corresponding to this is not equal to 90. Similarly, this angle to this is not 90. So that's why these two are also not similar figures. Okay. So for similar, just go back. You should have the angles corresponding same and the side should be in same ratio. So this figure 6.6 and 6.7 are not similar. We quickly discuss the exercise 6.1. So all the circles, okay, all the circles will be always similar. All the squares will be always similar. Now all the dashed triangles are similar. There will be equilateral triangle. Okay. Now the two polygons are of same sides which are similar, then the corresponding angle should be equal and their corresponding sides should be in proportion. So here you will have equal and here you will have proportion. Okay. Now for the question 2, you have to give similar figures. You can give the example 6.5. Non-similar figures, you have got two examples 6.6 and 6.7. Okay. Now state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. You can see these are the two quadrilaterals given to you. Okay. Now if you see angle P and angle A, they are not same. Angle S and angle D are not same. Now if you see the proportionality, 1.5 is 2 upon 3, 1.5 upon 3, 1.5 upon 3 and 1.5 upon 3. Okay. So the proportion is same of the sides but the angles are not equal. So they are not similar. Thank you.